Hi, this is Tina from Sauna. Today we are going to show you our ice tub in this live stream in this video. And you can see for this one is for the round shape, and the size is for the diameter 80 cm and the height is for the 1 meter. So if you want to know more the size of the ice tub, we also have the all-in-one for your options. And about this liner, it can have the PC liner in it, or if you want to know about our stainless steel liner, you can customize it. We can customize it as you want. And the ice tub can use to cool down your body to help you improve your blood circulations and recover your muscle issues. And recently it's very popular in USA, Australia, and Japan, Korea area. And we have the two options for you to put the ice water in it. The first one is that you can put some ice cube in the ice tub, and the number two is that you can use with our chillers like this one. This is our chiller. It can cool down the water 5 degrees in half an hour, and you can see this is a temperature controller. So if you don't want to use the ice, you can use the chiller to cool down your water from the tubes and put the water into the